Welcome back to another FreeCAD video. This will be regarding importing STL files, and this will be the main start page within FreeCAD. As you can see over here, we can have this unchecked over here, so don't show this start page again. But I usually would recommend to keep it. Now, let's see how we can open an STL file. We're going to see that by default within the main screen within FreeCAD, we cannot go within file import, that will be grayed out. But we can over here create a new file starting from one STL. So I'm going to go over here, open file. I will select the STL file and I will have that open. Now the model will load like this. In order to orientate over here within the viewport, you can use the view cube. But it's highly recommended that you're going to use this. So if you're going to hold down the shift key and the right click, that right click will add a pivot point to a specific point near the model in this case. And afterwards, while you're going to hold down control and the right mouse button, you can pan the model. So this is how you can interact with the model within the viewport. Zooming in and out is common using the mouse scroll. But let's say the orientation, the rotation within the viewport and the panning is a little bit different than other software. And you're going to see that over here by default, this will be created within part design, and we cannot really work with this STL. If I will go over here within the model, we're going to have the model listed as a mesh. So we see that green icon over there. Therefore, in order to work with the STL file, we're going to need to swap the workbench. I'm going to go within mesh. You're going to see the similarities between those two elements. And afterwards, we're going to have the following tool palette. Most of them are great because they will only activate when we're going to select an object from our list. So in this case, if I will select the STL file over here, we're going to see that a higher amount of elements will be active. We have over here some regarding union, mesh union. So in order to have those enabled, you're going to need to have at least 2 objects selected. Okay, so this was an overview regarding how to open STL files within FreeCAD. Over here within the task panel, you're also going to find information regarding this. So we see over here the current number of points or faces. We see the bounding box for the model. And keep in mind that you can have this, in this case, set, for example, to standard. This will be millimeter, kilograms, and seconds in this case. And you're going to see over here that bounding box that will include the shape of the car. Okay, so within a follow-up video, I will go ahead and start presenting various features over here. For example, this one, regular solid. This will actually create a solid model starting from a mesh. So if you enjoy this kind of content, you will find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.